This video I'm going to show you that how you can find your password, Snapchat password, if you forget it. So what you need to do first, you have to go to on your settings option. I'm going to settings. Please make sure you watch the full video to find your password. Okay. So what you need to do is go to on Google in the settings option. After that you have to go to on Google. Okay. Then you have to go to your manage your Google account. You have to click on this. So after that what you need to do is click on scroll down, and you can see here is an option security. You have to click on security option right here. Then after that what you need to do is scroll all the way down. Okay, after scrolling all the way down you can find a option like password manager. So if your Snapchat password is saved on your Google Gmail, you can find it here. So what you need to do next is click on the manage password. Okay, after clicking on manage password you have to find out Snapchat. Okay, after find the Snapchat you have to click on Snapchat like that. Then you have to type your password or add your screen lock like that. After opening unlocking it you can find your Snapchat password right here. So if you forget your Snapchat password you can find it just like this. If you click on this I button your password will show. I'm not going to do this. So this is how you can find your Snapchat password if you forget it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel. Peace.